Hi everybody, it's Captain Starlight here. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be Batman? To fight crime, solve puzzles, and save Gotham City? Well, today we're going to find out because we're playing Lego Batman. We'll be exploring the city, meeting some of your favourite characters, and solving some of the most challenging puzzles in the game. So strap in and get ready for an epic Batventure. Quickly, to the game screen! Alright, so we have a bunch of Batman baddies. Oh! And they look like they're breaking out of an Arkham Asylum. They are up to some no good in Gotham City. So it looks like Commissioner Gordon. There's the bat signal! Alright, let's go. Batman and Robin to the rescue. Alright, here we are. Oh, it looks like the Riddler and Clayface are breaking into a bank. Okay, so Batman will probably need to stop this. Along with his trusty sidekick, Robin! Oh, I think Robin's a bit clumsy. Batman takes the stairs. Alright. Let's go, Boy Wonder! Oh. Okay. So did you know that Batman is not only one of the world's greatest superheroes, but one of the world's greatest detectives? That's why he's so good at solving crime. Because he's good at figuring out puzzles. What can we do? We can build something with the Lego blocks. Alright. Okay, so we've built... Oh, it looks like a grappling hook thing. There's some green goo here, and I don't think we should go into it. It looks a little tricksy. Now, one of the good things about the Lego games, as far as I know, is a lot of the things you can actually break into Lego pieces. Alright, can we get across here? Yes. Ah! We can change between characters. Okay, so now we're Robin. Okay, Robin. Let's go. Alright. Lots of bad guys. Aha! Take that. And another thing. Oh. Changed our costume. Look like we've got... What is this? Oh, it's like a... Explosivo. Dun dun dun. And it looks like we've got a new outfit for Robin as well. The technology suit allows Robin to operate the green tech panels. Like this. Oh, yes. We've got a remote control car. Where can we go? Oh, go through here. Okay. Oh no! Right. Clayface. Hey, Clayface. Clayface means business. Where's he going? Is he running away? Oh no, he's hiding behind the gate. Can we blow that up? Yes. Where's he going? Oh, these are all the bank vault. Lots of Lego from in here. Okay. It's fine. What's that? Oh! Looks like we got him. We've caught him. And that's Two-Face, I think. Uh-oh. And the Riddler has the key. That's what they really wanted. Haha! Oh! Oh no! That was a tracking device. Doodle-diddle-dee. Alright, so that's the end of the level. Well, that is all the time we have for this episode of our Batman Lego Let's Play. Did you have fun? If you did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more fun with Captain Starlight. I've been Captain Starlight, and you've been Batmazing. See ya!